Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up Wix events. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your sites where you have all of your websites in one place. We have the setup, home, we have the settings. In the bottom left corner, we have the design sites and the site dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up Wix events. So to set up Wix events, you need to go and follow these few steps. Log into your account or sign up for Wix as I already told you in the start of the video. Choose from 500 plus templates for your event website. After choosing those, add your event and customize your site design. Then set up ticket sales for RSVPs. After you have set up those, choose your preferred payment provider. And after we have chosen your payment provider, contact a custom domain for your event website. Then publish your site and start selling tickets, and run and promote your event with the Wix Events platform. To create an event draft, go to Events in your site's dashboard, click plus to add an event, and select a type of event. And that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.